Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to perform arithmetic operations in Dart using numeric data types like int and double. So let's start the program. Void main is the main function. Now we will define variables int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. Here we declare two integer variables a and b. The int data type is used to store the whole numbers. So now we define double variables. Double x is equal to 12.5, double y is equal to 4.5. So these variables are declared using the double data type, which stores decimal values. Now we will perform arithmetic operations with integers. Print addition. Now we'll use string interpolation over here. So just type $, and within the curly braces we give the two variables a plus b, semicolon. So this line performs the addition of two integers. So now we'll do the subtraction and multiplication. So this line performs the addition of the two numbers, this line performs the subtraction of the two numbers, and this line performs the multiplication of the two numbers. And we'll perform the division operation. So this line performs the division operation. The modulus operator returns the remainder of the division. So now we will perform the arithmetic operations with double values. So we will perform the addition with double values. So we need to change variable name here, x plus y, because we have defined x and y over here as a double. Then we will perform the subtraction of the x and y. Then after we will perform the multiplication of the x and y, and finally we will perform the division of the x and y. So here we learn how to perform arithmetic operations on int data type and how to perform arithmetic operations on double data type. Int data type. So in today's video we have learned how to perform arithmetic operations using numeric data types such as the integer and double. Okay, so just now we will print the output of this program. Open new terminal. And type here dart space your program file name and press enter button. So it shows arithmetic operations on integer and double data type.